Hi, Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I'm going to be unboxing an Operation Christmas Child shoebox for a boy ages 10 to 14. So when the child opens it up, when the boy opens it up, this is what he's going to see. And right on top, we have a t-shirt. I made this t-shirt by cutting out the dinosaur on my Brother Scan and Cut. And I asked my boys, my own children, ahead of time, what kind of dinosaur to put on a 10 to 14-year-old boy. And they said it had to be a T-Rex. So he has a T-Rex t-shirt. Next, we have a spiral notebook in green. And we have this Jurassic Park play pack. It's got stickers and a coloring book and some crayons in it. And let's go ahead and take out his big wow item. And that is a soccer ball with a pump so that he can air it up when he gets it. I know he's going to absolutely love having a soccer ball that he can play with his friends. Then I have this small little plush, this little teddy bear in here. We have a pair of underwear, a flying disc, let me pull this out. So this says it's a Jurassic World light up, and it looks like it's like some kind of keychain type thing, but I wanted to leave it in this packaging because the packaging is pretty cool looking. And we have a water bottle. So this water bottle I actually got at a convention, a conference. It's a really nice water bottle though. It says Visit Fort Worth. Inside we have a pair of work gloves. Now my mother got these work gloves in the mail, I think from the VFW or something like that. She gets all kinds of things in the mail, and so yeah, I got those from her. Inside our water bottle we have, if I can pull them all out, we have a green toothbrush. Kind of got a green theme going on. We have this Dinosaur Car. Isn't that just like the cutest? It's one of those pull back and it goes cars, and it's shaped like a dinosaur, so I just had to get that. I have a pair of sunglasses. He's got a comb. We have a paracord bracelet. So my son actually made these years ago. He was trying to make money and sell them, and he made a whole bunch, and yeah, there were some extras. So he's getting a paracord bracelet. And then in here we have a nail file and a pair of nail clippers. And if I find another hotel soap, I will put hotel soap in there as well. And let's see. We have a hacky sack in the shape of a basketball. And we have just a little silicone bracelet that says Hour of Code. All right. We have a pack of markers. I always like to put something for their creative artistic side in my shoe boxes. We have a pencil pack. All right, so inside my pencil pack, there are some stickers. These stickers are mostly fish and things. We have a nice pair of scissors. I think you can never go wrong with a pair of scissors, especially for the older kids. We have, this is a highlighter and a stylus. And is it a pen too? And a pen. So it's like a 3-in-1. We've got several pencils. We have a blue pen and a black pen. Oh, there's a Star Wars pencil. We have a little thing of Post-its, an eraser, pencil sharpener, and a glue stick. And we've got even a little star eraser in there. And then we have this bag, and this bag I got at a convention, but it is a huge, I don't even know if you can see that on camera, huge string backpack. So it will definitely hold all of his stuff. And then at the very bottom of my box, we have a full-size clear plastic ruler with both inches and centimeters. I really hope that the 10 to 14-year-old boy that gets this box is really going to enjoy it, and he's really going to feel God's love and with this gift. If you are not participating in Operation Christmas Child, check out their website and check with some of your local churches for pickup centers, and why don't you think about making your own box that you can send. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and toodles!